So, burger night on the Blackstone Griddle. Now we're going to be cooking 18 Angus burgers, frozen, on this beautiful griddle. It won't take us no time. We won't have a big kitchen to clean up, all the grease splatter. So, thank you for joining me. So I'm going to put all 18 burgers on. I'm going to put a little oil on it to start with. I got it very hot. And so we can just put these burgers right on the grill, frozen. Stacking 3 across. And all the way down the side, usually 18 fills up the plate quite nicely to give you plenty of room to work with. I've got the burners turned up to high heat. I'll keep an eye on that, but these frozen patties can withstand a lot of initial heat without really burning, so I like to cook fast. Alright, so once you get these burgers on, that's half the battle. I like to have a roll of paper towels laying around. Keep my hands clean. So the next thing we do is season the first side of them. I like to use onion powder. And garlic powder for the breath. Alright. Next I'll put on some pepper. I go sparingly with the cayenne just because it will burn you up if you put too much. I usually only season one side with cayenne powder. I don't get as many complaints about the heat that way. And of course, what burger wouldn't be complete without a nice salt. I'm using sea salt. Okay. And so what we do now is we wait till the blood or the juices start popping out on the top of these burgers, and we know that that side of the burger is almost done. And at that point we'll flip them. Just wanted to give you a little bit closer shot of all the things that are going on with the meat right now. It's been on about 2-3 minutes, and you can see already that the juices are starting to make their appearance in the top area. I'm going to let them go a little bit further. The main thing when you're cooking burgers, you don't want to have a dry piece of like leather on your burger. You want something that's still got some juice in it. And so when you're cooking these frozen burgers, you have to pay attention to how long that you're letting them cook, because every second that these things cook, they're letting go of a lot of the moisture inside of them, and they will go dry, and they will not be as tasty and as appealing as if you cook them to the right level. Attention to the shrinkage of the burgers when you put them on and they've been cooking for a while, because sometimes the juices don't start running as quickly as they normally. Like this one here has already got juices running on the top. These others may not, but their shrinkage is about the same level. So what I'm thinking is it's time to flip these burgers. So we'll do that right now, and then I will season the other side. And flip them. It's time to put the cheese on, because these things will cook a lot quicker once you flip them than on the first side. And I'm just using regular American cheese. I noticed I left one without cheese on it just to so I could test it to see if it was cooked yet. You don't want to serve raw burgers either. So you can see the meat is totally cooked. There's no red or anything like that in it. So these burgers, believe it or not, are done, and it's been probably maybe 15 minutes of cooking. So I'll pull them up and we'll take a look at the finished product. So, 18 Angus burgers, fresh off the griddle. I want to thank you for joining me for this cooking example, and please subscribe if you want to see more of my stuff. Have a good day.